In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the text color of a cell or a portion of the text in Google Sheets. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. In the top right corner of the page, click the small grid icon to open the app launcher. From there, select Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once Sheets loads, open your spreadsheet by choosing it from your recent files or your list of documents. Give it a moment to load fully before you continue. Next, click the cell where you want to fix the colors. This step is important because any formatting changes you make will apply to whatever is currently selected. If you want to reset more than one cell at once, you can drag to select a range before you continue. To restore the text color, look at the toolbar at the top and click the Text Color button. It looks like a capital A with a color bar underneath. In the color menu that appears, choose Reset. This removes any direct color formatting you previously applied and returns the text to the default color defined by your sheet's theme, which is typically black. If you don't see an immediate change, make sure the correct cell or text is selected. If you only need to reset part of the text inside a cell, double-click that cell to enter edit mode, then highlight just the characters you want to fix. With that portion selected, click the same text color button and choose Reset. Only the highlighted text will revert, which is perfect for cleaning up mixed formatting without affecting the rest of the cell's content. Now, let's clear the cell's background color. With the same cell still selected, click the Fill Color button in the toolbar. It looks like a paint bucket. In the menu that opens, choose Reset. This removes any manually applied fill color and returns the cell to the default background, which is usually transparent or white, depending on your theme. If your sheet uses alternating colors or conditional formatting, those styles will continue to apply. You're only clearing the direct overrides. A quick recap. Open Google Sheets, select your cell, reset the text color using the Text Color menu, and reset the background using the Fill Color menu. For partial text, select the specific characters inside the cell first, then use Reset in the Text Color menu. That's all you need to bring your cells back to a clean, consistent look. If you found this helpful, keep these menus in mind. Text Color and Fill Color, because Reset is the fastest way to clear formatting without changing your actual data.